Hello traders, let's talk about out of bounds direction picker. What this means is that we're looking at some synthetic indicators which are all obviously lagging in time, but we're looking at them to give us a potential reversal of 10, 20, 30 points per swing intraday. So we're trying to capture the pivots. This is SPX chart and it is running on a specific volume, which I'm using is 10,000 shares per bar. Just to harmonize the chart uh, with some indicators here properly. There's no restriction of that, but just to see how the volume is playing out. So now what we need is we want this indicator to get out of the bands. There are bands here, they are volatility bands, and this is based on some volume. That is why we are using volume charts. So now what we need is that this indicator has to first get out of the bands. And then we want the other two indicators to be in the oversold territory to pick up the direction possibility. This is happening right now, right today. This is out of bound on the upper side. This oscillator is also ready to go down. It's around 75, around 70, sorry. And then we have this volatility indicator also telling us the direction is supposed to be going short. So these three things come together and we have a good drop around 27 points. Now we're waiting for the next bound to take place. Out of bound took place here. Obviously you could have done this too in the early morning. It was out, it was down, this was oversold, so small snap there as well. But anyway, we got that one. Now this is again out of bound. So now waiting for this guy to hit the top. It was right here, it went to the top. Three conditions met again for another shot. Right here was the first one, second one. All right. This one did not go out. It is hugging it. It did not go out. We want it to get out. So this was the eager thing if you went there. This is where it went out. And the same condition is happening right in front of you, around 7-8 points. So this is how this day has worked out. How about this one? It went out here. And this was a short again. 10 points. Short again. 10 points. See that? This was almost like 20 points. So how much can you take out of it? The point is, it's an effective way of doing it. So let's try again on the prior day. This is the day of today, happening right now. Now right here, it went out of bound on the top side, but the other oscillators are not there, so no signal, no signal. This was the first signal which came out right here. And got some 10 points here. Then it went out on the other side very clearly, and three conditions met. And this is a long, so this is going to be a short here, and this is going to be a long here. Okay, this is hugging, this is out here, this is hugging, this is out here on the bottom again. The top, let's see, the top was not out, as you can see, it was just hugging, and the conditions are not met on the bottom side anyway, so we'll ignore this signal. Next one is here. This signal has to be ignored because of the low. Let's see. No, this was on the bottom, so yeah, good. Three things came together, so we are on the good side of this one, and we go another long. This is out of bound, this is out of bounds. This is again a short condition came right there on the top. Three conditions met, and we take the shot. Out of bound conditions met here. The oscillator on the bottom is not ready, so we ignore that. Here we have three conditions met on for the short side. We took a shot here. This unfortunately did not meet the criteria of this band, so we missed this move. That's how it is. It is what it is. Then we have this out of bound conditions. Now this is going to be a little tricky. This was a loss. And then we try again. Let it recycle. Go down below the white line. There are rules here. And shot here. So this one was a good shot. We captured that one for a move. This one was a long condition which came out. So we can go there as well. So we got one loss here, which is, let me mark that, which is here. This extreme precious, this was a loss. So we have one loss so far. Let's do one last day. Three conditions are met here, right there. You can see it now. Out, top, boom, shot, and you should be pretty much be happy if we hold it and be done for the day. If not, let's keep going and see what we get. Okay, this one we all need to be on the downside. It was not. One is on the down. Two down, one up. Not condition is not met. We ignore that. Then we go down on here, up here. Sorry. Now three up conditions have met, so we can go short here. Okay, and then this is not met. This is met here. No met. No meeting here. Okay, this is where it met. Three conditions met here on the top. I'm just looking at this. This one went short. This one we missed again. No worries. This one we have to go long. And we have a loss on this one. So I'll make a loss on this one. If you took all the trades, we don't know, right? So okay. So this is a shot. Good one. This is no long anymore because we didn't have that. How about this one? This one is a long. So this one long worked out. Now remember this. This is 84 to 98. This is 10-15 points. Small, just like this. All right. This is a short condition. So whatever loss we had here, we recovered it from here. This condition, that's it. So I don't see any other out of bound conditions. How about this one? No, because this was on the bottom was not ready, so that is not there. This is there. Short here is also as well. This short is also there for 10 points. So you got the idea. So we got taken that too. This is also working nicely. So you can see their net, you can pretty much pick good swings all day. Okay, this is a flat day. Let's see how the flat day works. Okay, this is going to be interesting. Let's see if we got anything out of the flat day or it was a losing day. Let's check it out. Three conditions have to be met. Let's see, in the open, this is right off the gate, boom, long. There we go. We have long. And if you're up 15 points, 10 points, you should be 98. Yeah, almost 10 points are there for you. And what else is there? So that is done. Not out, not out. This is out. So you can see this is out. This is out, and three conditions have been met. So this is a short here. This is long conditions are met. Short conditions are met. So you can just see, so I don't want to waste your time anymore. You got the idea. how to trade out of bound strategy, and this is where it starts right there. So this was a loss, and then you take it again or not. Let's see. So the rule is if you have a lose, this indicator has to volatility have to reset again. And the way I'm using it to reset is let it go below the white line and come up. So this was, first of all, this is a long. So if this is a long, let's take the long first, and then we will take the loss. This was a short condition, and this was a so you're getting one loss a day if you keep trading all pivots. So this was a loss. All right, and then did we get a reset? No, we did not. So obviously, so this one we took a shot and we lost it. So now to retake the shot, this has to go below the line and come back up. If it happened like this very fast, right here, we would have taken the shot, but it did not happen again. So there was no shot here. This is fine. So this is outbound again, and this is the long. So you got the idea. So some long here outbound. So this time you got this shot. So this is a small long. This is short here and also short here. This is perfect. This is what I was talking about. Let it reset. It reset, came back up. And this was also, it came in and out, right? It's like a double top reset. And there we go. This is long, right? You can just see the long. Let's mark it. So we have the right vibration going on. This is again long. You can just see that when the conditions are met. Okay, thank you very much.